guys, happy Friday. Just a quick little intro into today's video. I went back out to that job where I'm saving that customer from the predatory contractors that I keep talking about, and I just about got him finished up. I'm not sure how good the video is going to be today. It was more of he and I chatting personally, and then his kids were around and stuff, so I don't know. I went out there and did my thing. I hope you guys enjoy the video. And I got one last little thing I'm gonna have to go out there and do still. But he's in good shape. I saved him a bunch of money, and everything's gonna be good in the end. And that's what it's all about. So enjoy the video. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. It is a chilly, kind of cloudy and windy Friday here in I don't know, back 3rd of June. Not used to this, so I'm bundled up today. It's only going to get up to, if we're lucky, the upper 50s. We got some rain coming in for this afternoon, and I guess we'll just deal with it. It's not good for business, but you know, I don't really rely on weather for my business, so it's okay. Sorry, my phone's keeps kicking up. So I'm going to call today's Friday. I'm going to steal from another YouTube HVAC guy, and I'm going to call this Free Friday. And the reason I'm going to call it Free Friday is I'm freeing a customer from the grasp of I'm going to go ahead and say it. It's a criminal HVAC contractor. And as usual, I'm not going to name names, but I'm going to save them. And this company, as far as I'm concerned, was stealing money from this consumer. So I'm going to go out with, you'll know what I'm talking about if you check out yesterday's video. I laid out the groundwork for what I'm going to do. I'm going to save this customer thousands and thousands of dollars, like I usually do. I'm not tooting my own horn, but I'm just going out to do the right thing for them. And there needs to be more of this going on. You know, these companies, they get so big, they just think that they can go out and just get whatever dollar amount they want from these people. And it's extortion, really. So I'm going to go out, save them. And I talked to the customer. I told him I'm going to do videos and document everything. He even said that he'd possibly give me a video testimonial and maybe a criticism of the other company. So should be an interesting video today. I'm hoping it turns out good. I hope I get some good content for you, and I will see you out on the project. Okay, I got my gauges here, my digital gauges. I got my nitro. We're going to go ahead and get these locking caps off of here. We're going to get our gauges hooked up. We're going to pump this guy up to 400 psi, and then while it's holding pressure, I'm going to go inside and put on my Focus Pro thermostat. So they got a good thermostat. That's one less thing for them to worry about, and I know it'll work right for them. So let's get this thing pumped up. All right, let's get that all the way out so we're not letting any in yet. Pump that one up. Let's open our ports here. All right, let's let her in to get you a better view of that. Pump her up to 400. Set our gauge at 400 there and just let her roll. Alright, get her to 400 and we'll let her sit. Alright guys, got her pumped up. She's going to fluctuate a little bit with the nitro just introduced to the system. So we're going to let it sit a bit and see what happens. 403 and some change right there. Let's go put that Focus Pro thermostat on. I don't know what brand this one is. Venmar or something. Take a look at it. Alright guys, so this is the thermostat I pulled off there. Kind of fumbling and bumbling around with the kids and stuff in the house, but I think this is the old Venmar ones that Goodman used to use these for their Econet stuff, their communicating stuff. Junky thermostat. So she's holding no problem at 402 psi. We're going to go ahead and put our factory charge in once this drains out, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull my top, maybe even the panels, and we'll give this thing a good cleaning and call it good. 6,000 bucks, huh? Looks like she takes 205 ounces, so we're gonna be putting gosh, that's a lot of juice. It's gonna be 12 pounds 9 ounces, my quick math. All right guys, we got the pump going. Let's hope she pulls down good. She held pressure no problem. There's a lot of nitro in the system and probably moisture, so it'll take a while for her to pull down, but we're rock and rolling. I'm gonna wait. I mean, I guess I could do my cleaning while it's pumping down, but I hate having my gauges that close. I don't like getting them all wet, so I'll wait. He'll pull down. We'll weigh in our charge there, and we'll get this all cleaned up, and he'll be good to go. New thermostat and everything. So happy to help them out. This is what the other guy charged over $2,600 to do, was to pressurize this with nitrogen. Supposedly, and do a leak check. The heat pump's right here, air handler's right on the other side of the wall, and that much of a line set. He charged them over $2,600 for a green shield leak check. Give me a break. Give me a break. This won't take me long at all, and I'll have them fixed. All right, guys, I got my good high-powered spray nozzle. I got my heavy-duty Viper condenser coil cleaner. It'll actually do evaporators too, but I don't like using this stuff on the indoors if I don't have to. And then my coil cannon. Customer's got a hose right around the corner there. So once we get this thing pulled down, I'm gonna get the panels off, and we'll get this thing cleaned up. Disregard that, guys. I'm able to get my stuff far enough away. I was just being silly there. Let's go ahead and get this thing cleaned up, get these panels off. Oh yeah, she could use a cleaning, that's for sure. Alright guys, a little 5 to 10 minute update here. Looking good, we're pulling down, so I'm happy. Let's just start cleaning out the inside of this condenser. I'm not really nimble enough to get down on this bad boy, so I'm just going to use the old broom and sweep what I can out of the bottom. Lunging kills me these days. Help main stuff. Get the rest of it with water if we can. just kills me that the other guy didn't find a leak anywhere, but he still wanted to replace this coil. It just makes no sense on a system like this. I could see it on a newer system where you could maybe warranty it, but still, why charge them all that labor? It's quite a bit of labor to change these coils out. Hence the $3,000 price tag they gave them. All right, got that swept to the corner. I'm gonna go grab my shop vac and clean that out there, and then we'll start spraying down, do a pre-soak on the coil. And I think reach down in there far enough. I just can't get in there. Let me find something to scoop with. Be very careful here. Okay, the rest of that's going to be vacuum. And water. All right, let's go get the hose in there. Alright guys, you get the gist. I'm going to pre-treat all four sides of this guy. We're going to give this a real good cleaning. Fill that sucker up all the way. As we'll use what I got left here. Alright, let's put her on our thing and let's do it. Alright guys, now we can do this properly. We got her completely stripped. Let's give this guy a good cleaning, he needs it. Alright, looking real good here. Let that soak in. I got the entire four sides of the coil on the outside and on the inside. We'll let that soak in. And we'll give it some water pressure, get it rinsed off real good, get her nice and clean. I like it. Oh yeah, baby. Drop the crap out of the bottom. right, that was one side. We're gonna do that 3 more times. All right, she's all rinsed off. Outside, inside's looking good. We're gonna have a few needles and stuff. I can't get my arms down in there, and I don't want to hurt my back today. So there'll be a few needles and stuff at the bottom when I'm done. Disregard that, but we're all clean. I'm gonna go ahead and spray off all the panels real good, get everything put back together, see where my vac's at, and hopefully we can get this guy rolling good. Sorry, I gotta weigh in my charge too. Got my stuff right there. But yeah, we're looking good. Looking real good. Let's get this guy put back together, cleaned up. All right, we got 375 microns on the vacuum. I won't get you in it. Got the unit all cleaned up, all nice. Getting ready to dump the charge in it and fire it up. It's not going to cost $3,000, that's for sure. Mitch, the homeowner here, he's going to be happy. He's giving me a thumbs up right now. So, yeah, the bill will be fine. All right, guys, I didn't get as much cool video as I wanted to. We're just kind of chatting up the customer quite a bit. So what happened was, I'm pretty sure that they're not filling up these 410A canisters all the way, because this is supposed to be a 20-pound canister. I only used maybe 5.5, 6 pounds on another job, and I could only get 9 pounds into this this Goodman 5-ton heat pump. So, you know, that only adds up to 15, and there's no way there's 5 pounds of vapor trapped in that thing. So, that kind of sucks. So what I got my distributor. He's gonna come through and drop me off a canister to my shop. I don't have time to go down, get it, come back, and get him fired up today. So what I'm gonna do is just come back tomorrow morning and get him topped off and get him, get his subcool and his superheat fine-tuned and get his charge good. So that's what we're gonna do, and we'll have him go on. But at least we now know everything's gonna work, everything's good. Customer will be happy, and saved him a bunch of money. So that's the bottom line. I'll talk to you when I get back to the shop. I'll tell you the rundown.